Hello everyone, welcome to the showroom of Kingon Science and Technology. Kingon is a manufacturer based in Qingdao, China, focusing on portable oxygen concentrators, research and development, manufacture and distribution. Kingon is certified by ISO 13485. Today we are going to have a look at the featured model P2 portable oxygen concentrator. P2 is literally the smallest, lightest weight and most compact portable oxygen concentrator of its kind. The weight of it is only 1.98 kg, including the battery. It's very light so that you can carry it with one hand easily. You will find the certificate, nasal cannula, the carry bag, the additional 5 pieces cotton filter, plus one already in the unit. The unit itself, the battery, and the AC adapter. Now let's see how does it work. First of all, slide in the battery horizontally, then gently push it until you heard an audible sound. When the latch of the battery and the unit collapse firmly, to remove the battery, just push down the latch and slide out. Next, let's connect the power resource. Connect them. Plug in the AC adapter to the port. The other end goes to the socket on the wall. Once the power is connected, you will find that the light on the block is on, and on the display it will show the percentage of the battery as well as the remaining time to be fully charged. Actually, it's not a must to have both battery and AC to power the unit. It can work with either only battery or only AC. So just like this. It still works, but it will show it is powered by AC. However, to insert the battery during powering by AC can charge the battery at the same time. So that means there are two ways to charge the battery. One is to put it on the unit while AC is connected, which takes maximum 4 hours to be fully charged. Another way is to charge the battery by external battery charger. To charge it by the external charger, just slide in the battery. And power it by the same AC charger. Then the light will indicate what's the percentage of the battery. There are totally 5 lights, so each light represents 20%. When the unit is powered by battery only, on the display it will show the percentage of the battery as well as the remaining running time, so it will be easier for you to plan for the next charging. Apart from AC and battery, you can also power your P2 by the DC adapter. Simply plug it to the DC port in your car or the boat. The unit will be powered and charged at the same time, so it will be slower than charging by AC. The length of the DC power cord is 165 cm. Plus, the length of your nasal cannula makes it possible for you to use it whether during the driving by yourself, sitting on the passenger seat, or at the back seat. Next step, let's check out the carry bag. When you unwrap and hold the bag, you want to look for the zip from the bottom. Unzip it, take out the shoulder strap, lay it down, and slide in the unit. Zip it up, and straighten it. Make sure the oxygen outlet nozzle is in line with the cutout of the bag. There is also a cutout for the charge port too. And next to it is a little pouch for you to insert your name card with your name and mobile number, for example, so that if you lost it in public area, someone may find it and call you to return it. Apart from these designs, there are also large size meshes applied to the surface, at the side for the air exhaust, at the front from the air intake pre-filter, and at the back for the battery. The handle of the carry bag is removable, so just take off the lobster clasps. Replace by the shoulder strap. And now you are ready to go with the shoulder strap. Another nice design of the carry bag is that on the strap there is a little buckle, which can be used to fix the nasal cannula. So it's easier for you to adjust the length of the nasal cannula, or simply to make it straighten. Now let's turn the unit on and try it out. The control panel of the unit is on the top. The design is very simple and user-friendly. Press the on and off button for 3 seconds, the unit will be turned on. At the first 2 minutes, the unit is warming up, so the oxygen purity is not steady. But after 2 minutes warming up, the noise will reduce. You will see the blue breeze light on, means the unit is running normally. But for this unit, since it did not trigger my breeze, it enters into the automatic mode. In the automatic mode, the unit will deliver oxygen at a fixed rate as 20 times per minute. To adjust the flow setting, simply press the plus or the minus button. P2 has 1 to 5 flow settings, providing you from 100 to 1000 ml oxygen per minute to meet all your oxygen demand in different situations. And at the meantime, the oxygen purity remains at 90 plus 6 or minus 3% at all the 5 settings. The gear button brings you to the status screen, in which you will see the battery, molecular, and the device itself's temperature, model, and status. Press the gear again, you will return to the home screen. This button is to mute or unmute the alert. There's a sample to represent your choice of the alert. If there is an alert triggered, this light will be on, and the detailed information will be showing here. Kingon's P series are all equipped with a 2.8 inches color LCD display, so they are easier for the users to read. On the screen, you will find the sighting flow, the battery percentage, and the remaining running time. The battery of P2 series lasts up to 4 to 5 hours, depends on which model you have. Kingon P series have a built-in system contains 24 alerts to self-monitor and diagnose the performance and alert you whenever any issues happen. To turn it off, just long press the off button. Kingon P2 is approved by CE and FDA as well as FAA, which means it's allowed to use on board commercial airplanes. So that's pretty much of our sharing today. If you have any questions about Kingon and our portable oxygen concentrators, please visit us at www.kingonmac.com or contact your local provider.